Even more compact, even more maneuverable, even better tailored to your occasional or moderate transport requirements, the new STILL RCE 15 to 20 complements our classic line. It is the ideal addition to our range of electric forklift trucks, enabling us to respond to the growing demand for reliable, readily available vehicles that are intuitive to operate. The 3-wheel and 4-wheel forklift trucks require little space to impressively maneuver, and with a width of just 112 centimeters, they fit through even the narrowest of doors and gateways. With a capacity range of between 1.5 and 2 tons, a maximum lift height of just over 6.5 meters, the RCE can carry goods at speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. These trucks are equipped with powerful lithium-ion batteries as standard, and can be quickly and conveniently opportune charged via the quick access port for maximum vehicle availability and flexibility. Get in and get going immediately, thanks to the intuitive operating concept and high safety standard. The ergonomically designed operator's cab and a user-friendly operating concept are a great advantage. The RCE features clearly arranged controls in its generously sized cabin, all within easy reach. The multi-lever hydraulic controls and single pedal operations make precise load handling and sensitive controls simple, even for inexperienced operators. A 4.3-inch full-color display clearly shows all relevant information, and operators benefit from having excellent all-round visibility. Robust, high-quality parts, low-maintenance components, a wide range of safety options, and the usual excellent STILL service, the RCE series also makes no compromises when it comes to quality, safety, and service. We have short delivery times thanks to pre-configured stock trucks. In addition to an attractive price, we offer easy availability and fast delivery, as all the trucks in the RCE portfolio can also be ordered via digital channels. We have a clear understanding of the most common requirements and equipment criteria of our customers, and have pre-configured these in various best fit packages. The STILL RCE 15 to 20 simply fits.